My favorite feature when locking your profile is that strangers who visit your Facebook profile cannot take a screenshot of it, so that's cool. Keep watching to find out how to do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tori here. In today's video, you'll learn how to lock your Facebook profile so that those who are not your friends on Facebook have no access at all to your information and photos. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if this video helps. Also, leave a comment if it works for you too. So yeah, let's get right to it.